Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can reset BINANCE 2FA Google Authenticator. First, open your Binance app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. From here, go to your profile by clicking this one on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on More Services below. Now here, just scroll down and navigate to Security, or you can just simply search Security over here. On the Security page, you can see all the security measures you have on your Binance. In our case, we haven't bound our Google Authenticator, so click on that. Click Enable. I suggest using another phone for scanning the QR code from Binance on your phone. Type in the code sent on your Gmail that you bind on Binance. Once done, click Submit. Over here, you can see this instruction. Just follow this along. Copy or scan the QR on the first step. Then once done, click Next. You'll have to type the code from your Google Authenticator. Click Submit and you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.